Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning, and this is the star of the show. That's our shop manager, Sissy, spelled S-I-S-S-Y. She was the only female in the litter of seven, I believe. She was the only one. This is a Bernese Mountain Dog mixed with a Newfoundland, and the only one in the litter that didn't have the tricolor, the black, you know, the typical burner black, tan, and white. She was just black and white. When I sat down, without hesitation, I sat down about 6-7 feet from the litter. Without hesitation, she was the first one to come right over and lay down next to my legs, just like she is now. And I was like, that's the one I want. When they are ready, we'll come pick her up. And that was the story, and she's still by my side. A lot of people have, ask, what type of dog she is. And the name Sissy, because she was the only female in the litter, those on the farm called her Sissy, and it stuck. Sometimes she's a sissy in more than one way, but she's a very good dog, well-mannered, and one of the best sidekicks I've ever had. Let's get to work. We are working on the Kia Sedona today. We got the headlights cleared up. We got the wheels were absolutely spent and stained and dirty. We got those cleaned up. Let's wash the rest of it. It's so bad that the windshield washer fluid won't even get, the bug splatter has been on there for so long, it won't even get it perfectly clean. So the paint is extremely dirty, hasn't been washed in some time. There are little bits of wax in between the creases, so it's been waxed or polished. We want to remove all that and get it down to just bare paint so we can, so we can go from there. So we're going to use something new to the channel today. Let's get to work. How about it? A really neat blue or dark purple color, but it's really dirty, really stained. You can see all the dirt build up there. On the windshield, it's absolutely horrible. Going down the sides, it's the same thing. Everything's splattered up from the roadways. Glass, paint, trim, just very, very dirty. It needs a good wash. I think once it's washed, it'll really look good. And maybe we'll start working on this color. I want to see what I can get, this metallic purple or blue, see if I can get it to pop. Today we're going to be using Detailing World's Clean Slate. This is a decon wash or a strip wash. This is the gallon size. When you want to start fresh, nothing does the job like the Clean Slate. It is a low pH, deep cleansing car soap. It's engineered to strip away old waxes, sealants, without harming the vehicle's surfaces, so it'd be good on traffic film as well. Whether you want your paint truly clean, Clean Slate delivers flawless reset with minimum physical agitation. How to use it? Bucket wash or foam cannon. It generates clinging suds, lifting away with precision, grit and dirt. It's safe for paint. Go-to for deep clean decontamination without compromise. Let's give it a try. 4 to 6 ounces in your foam lance, 4 to 6 ounces in your wash bucket. Let's start off with the foam lance. We'll let this dwell just a few more minutes. It's been probably 2 or 3 minutes. Ooh, that really feels rough. The decomp process after this is needed everywhere, top to bottom. So we'll let it dwell just a little bit more. I'm going to rinse this off, get rid of the grittiness, and then hit it again really quick before we start the wash process with the bucket. Let's get the bucket ready. Again, 4 to 6 ounces. This will not pour into the bucket and settle down in thick ribbons. You can see this kind of tries to mix in with the bucket water immediately. Got to go in there barehanded because I like to feel for lubrication. Down into the water and then in the suds itself. Very little lubrication, but this, the power from the clean slate is to strip the surface. So this is going to be used before the correction anyway, so I'm not quite as worried about slickness in a soap before that correction process. Now I'm going to hit the surface with the foam cannon one more time, let that dwell, and then do my hand wash with that still on the surface, and then thoroughly rinse. Obviously, now we rinse thoroughly. Dry the vehicle, and with no protection, obviously the best way to do that's going to be with a drying towel. What a difference just a simple wash makes. You team that up with the headlights being redone, the rims nice and bright and clean. Now this paint work is crap. We're going to work on that. We're going to test, but it's clean. And the windshield is now clean of all that garbage and bug splatter as well. I'm very happy about that. Guys, I can recommend Detailing World's Clean Slate. I'll put a link down below if you want to give it a try. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Strip washes, can they remove waxes, sealants, and all that other jazz? We just ask for two things. Remove traffic film, and we have a bunch of car washes either way, in either direction here. that offer that Mr. Hot Wax junk. So when cars come in for protection, paint correction, we just ask and would love if our strip wash got rid of the traffic film and that hot wax garbage so it doesn't get caught up into our foam, microfiber, and wool pads. This does a great job. I'm going to put a link down below if you want to look into it further. This has been Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning, and I'll catch you in the next video.